Hi guys, it's Debbie, and I'm gonna work on another abstract painting. Before I get started, I was gonna talk to you about when to, paintings to keep, paintings to, redo. If you're not happy with them, of course you're gonna redo them. But a lot of times, what I like to do is I like to put them in a mat and take a look and see how how well I like it at that point. Oops, try to get that even a little bit there for you. So, sorry about the light. I think I'm gonna have to move where I paint these at. But there's some that I thought were pretty ugly. And then I put them in the frame, and then sometimes I'll get other people's opinions. And their opinion is always a bit different than mine. Usually they, you know, tend to like some of them. This is one of them I didn't really like at the beginning. But I quit working on it because I knew it was about over with. I couldn't make it any better. This was really obviously a really quick one, and I like that quite a bit. So let's see here. I think it probably look better like this. Yeah, I like that. Like that. Okay. But this is what I like to do is I like to put them in there sometimes if I'm in question and see what this is one of these ones I covered up and I scraped off. I kind of like to now my new nickname for these is peekaboo paintings. So and here we go, another one. Let's see, straighten it up in there. So what I'm going to do when I go take these either to a gallery or put them into an art show, because I think I'm going to buy a whole bunch of matching frames to put them all in. So a lot of these you've probably seen me make. Now this is one I didn't like when I finished it at all. But when I showed it to some people, they really liked it. Can you see the? Anyways, they really liked it. So I thought, okay, I'm keeping it. I put it in the mat, and it looks okay. So, yeah. Anyways, let's see. That's it. So there's this one here. This is another one of these ones I'm calling like peekaboo, where I've covered it up. I've covered the whole thing with paint after I put the design on, and then I'm scraping it off as quick as I can. And so, and you reveal what's up below. I really kind of like doing that. The design is usually like a stamp or a stencil, which I don't know I want to call the stencil stamps, but some of them were stamps actually. And I'm kind of enjoying those right now. It's all part of the creative process. Anyways, all right, let's get started. And sometimes when I'm not motivated, I like to look at work I've done already like that, and something in there will, sometimes motivate me. And I'm going to use two paintbrushes I just got done painting with. That didn't get washed. Okay, so the colors I'm going to use this time, let's see. Well, first I'm going to do is put a little white on because it is paper and it dries pretty quick. Once you get a little thing going on, it slows it down some. And if you want to dry fast, then there you go. Boy, before I showed you that, I had a thought in mind. where I was going with this. I mean, I know it wouldn't end up just like that, but whatever that thought was about, I've totally lost it. That's not good. Okay. Let me get that lined up there a little better for you. There. All right. Let's see what colors. Well, I'm going to use some of my pellet that I was just using a minute ago, and then what I'm going to do is come back in and add other colors on top. Oh well, we'll just start putting it in, and something will come to me. Something will come. Usually what happens is a painting, it starts to take its own direction. It takes its own direction at some point. You know what? I'm going to do that with this. Ooh, got something on it there. If I don't use up some of these paints right now, they just get thrown out. See, it's really drying right here. That's the thing with paper. Until I get back into selling a bunch of these paintings, I'm out of space, so I got to work with paper. I can stack thousands. Okay, now maybe some dark blue. And I need more white, I think. You don't want to divide it in half. Generally, try to not divide your picture in half. It's more pleasing to not do it that way. More interesting. Kind of like that effect I get from scraping the card over it. Kind of like that quite a bit. So I am going to keep it up. That one's different. This one's got more of a roughness to it. It's from it being used so much. I'm just going to put a little bit on the bottom of this and see how that works. Oh, I might have been off camera. There we go. All I'm doing is scraping away some of the color to put a little bit of a design in. We'll see where that goes. Pretty light there. It would have probably showed up more if it was darker. I don't know if you can see that on camera, come to think of it. That's a little easier way to get it on there. Excuse me. Picked up a cough from somewhere. Okay. Sorry about this, guys. I keep coughing. All I'm going to do is scrape away. I had a tube of black paint. I can't seem to find it. Could use. Excuse me. Can't talk now. Gonna keep coughing, of course. Okay. Kind of thinking about scribbling into there, or let's see if I can. This is definitely not the direction I thought I was going on this one. One more thing, a little more white. probably leave it like this, but I am going to, I love having like words you really can't read. You know what? I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this stamp I have here. I was going to just scribble on there. I think I'll do it this way. Let's see, where do I want to put it? So I might have to go back in dark. Yeah, I think I'm going to go back in and put some black. A few words right here and here maybe. Let's see. I kind of like that because it's kind of tiny. These little paper paintings, little paintings like this. Unless you're good at drawing kind of small. I think I'm going to leave it like that. If it wasn't so wet, I'd put the mat over it. But if I don't like it, I'll probably come back in. I probably won't touch this, this, and this. I could come back in after it dries if I don't like it and add a little something in here, but I don't think I will be doing that. I was looking for something to scribble on there with. Yeah, it's not working so well. Okay, it's too dry. All right, so there, you guys. Quick, super duper easy. So, all right, guys. Thank you for stopping by.